Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 15. The area of a rectangular city park is 2554 square miles. The length of the park is 5/9 of a mile. What is the width in miles of the park? So since we're talking about a rectangle and we're talking about area, we would want to use this formula. Write this on your paper. Area equals length times width. Now let's substitute what we know. It says the area of the rectangle is this amount right here. So we're going to substitute that in for the letter A. And it says the length of the park is 5/9 of a mile. Let's substitute that in for the L. And we're basically solving for W. All right, when you solve these types of equations, you ask yourself, what's happening to the variable? And the answer to that question is we're multiplying the variable by 5/9. What's the opposite of doing that? It would be to divide by 5/9. And the way we show division whenever we have a fraction is we think about multiplying by the reciprocal. Dividing by 5/9 is the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal or inverse. So we're going to write 9/5 on this side of the equation, and we're also going to put it over here to keep the equation balanced. All right, now when we think about what happens here, the 5 cancels out, it equals 1. The 9s cancel out, that equals 1. If we were to do W times 1, we would get W. So the only thing you have left to do is to find the product of this number times this number. Take advantage of your cross-reducing. We can divide both of these by 9. Divide that by 9, we get 1. Divide this by 9, we get 6. And over here, we can divide both of those by 5. Divide by 5 and get 1. And divide by 5 and get 5. So just finish up. What's 1 times 5? What's 1 times 6? Put your answer here and compare it to what's available as a choice. Now, what do conscientious students do? They would also show a check. They would show whatever they got. They would multiply it with the 5/9 to make sure that you get the 25/54. All right, good luck finishing this up.